Hi, Professor. Good evening. This is Harish Kasala. Today, I'm going to present my project. Basically, I'm working on the project. It's basically to-do list apps with the efficient project management. So, this app is the introduction when I already given in the midterm. The its basic introduction about this app is it's a lightweight task management solution designed for the Android devices. So it basically it enhances the productivity by enabling users to organize and prioritize task efficiently. It supports the offline functionality using the SQLite, focusing on simplicity and ease of use. Some of the key features of this app is like task creation, addition, deletion, categorization and prioritization of tasks, and making tasks as done and adding notes to details. So some of the challenges which I faced during this development of app, lack of in general, there are lack of offline access in many task management apps that was covered in this, and difficult in prioritization of the task, and complex and cluttered interfaces that hinder usability, and the impact is the deadline is going to be missed and reduce the productivity, and the user get frustrated about face these kind of problems. So the objective is to develop the simple user-friendly app for the task management, to enable offline tasks handling through SQLite integration, to provide advanced categorization and prioritization options, to ensure the intuitive UI or UX for all user levels, support personal and professional task organizations, enhance productivity with the reminders and status of tracking. Some of the key features overview of this app, core functionalities like task creation with the fields like title, due date, priority, category, edit and delete tasks with ease, mark task as done, and the completion of tracking, add notes for the task details. Some of the advanced features of this app is categorization of tasks by priority and category, offline support and uninterrupted use. Coming to the technology stack, like front-end development, I use the programming language Java, framework Android SDK, and IDE Android Studio. In the backend, coming to the database SQLite, and the managing data by using the CRUD operations, create, read, update, and delete. Utilities of this app is like Android notifications for API reminders, dependency injection, asynchronous programming, material design. This is the technology stack which I used with Kotlin, as mentioned in the previous slide, Android Studio and Android SDK, and it will give the push notifications. Like coming to the technology stack, this is the room database which I used to develop this app. I given the presentation of the screenshots in this presentation. I'm going to show the demo next. So this is the technology stack room database, and this is the CRUD operations using the Kotlin. This is the dependency injection basically, and the coming to the architectural overview of this project, app front-end development, as I mentioned in the previous, it's a programming language Kotlin. I used Kotlin for the programming language, Android SDK for framework, and Android Studio IDE. In the backend, local database called room database, and the managing data using the CRUD operations, and the utilities it will give the push notification for API reminders. So some of the architecture overview in the file arrangement, I have given the slides, arrange the slides within the architecture overview. Using this, you can see this architecture of this app. And coming to the architecture overview, file arrangement, basically it's a data layer, and the data layer we have the database, data converter kit, data task categorization kit, task database kit, and the models, category info like task info, number of tasks for each category, repositories and utilities, and the coming to the domain layer, there's task category repository kit, basically interface the tasks and data operations. Presentation layer, in the it's a main components. Coming to the main components, it's a main activity kit, manage UI navigation, and main activity view model kit, handle task data and app logic, and some of the adapters. Coming to the presentation, other presentation layers like broadcast receivers, dependency injection, and the fragments. These are all involved in this app. When coming to the user interface design, this is the interface which I created for this app. Like it will give the home page. When you see the home page, it will come like this, and that we can add the using the plus symbol, we can create the task, and these are the dialog box. We can see the selecting the date or sorting the items. User interface design, it will give the navigation bar and the creation task, add category settings page. uh, Let me show you demo. This is the basic app. When you see the home page, when you click on the left side as navigation bar, this is the home page where we can see the previous one, and we have the settings and the completed tasks. Also we can see what are the completed tasks within this app. When we navigate to the home page of this app, there is a plus symbol where we can create the task, new task. We can add the new task here. We can mention anything like job, and we can add the due date. We can select any of the dates, and it will give the time also. If you want to preferable time, we can add the time, anything, anytime, whatever the priority wise. And we can basically we can categorize this. We can give the priority low, medium, high. Suppose if you give high, we can click on that, and category we can add the what is for this job application. So we can create the task, and we can add the new task like this. And when we come into the we can basically we can see the task, all the task, and we can see the priority here. And we can see the what are the tasks we have created, and the what we have to do. It will give the reminder notifications for the each category. And once the we can mark, once we completed the particular task, we can see those tasks and their completed tasks. So these are the current status of this project which I developed. So basically in the home button, we can, when we click on the home navigation page, we can see these all these categories which we have developed, which I developed in this project, Professor. uh, this is about all my project and this app development. Thank you, Professor. Thank you so much.